Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. In today's tutorials, I'm going to show you the principles of raster image. So this is a raster image. We have this document here. Okay, so this is our raster image. Let's see, whenever you open a new picture in Photoshop, by default, that layer is a raster layer. So this is a raster layer and the image is a raster image. Because it's a raster image, it means it can be pixelated or it can never be pixelated. It can be pixelated when you stretch it or enlarge it above the normal threshold. So let's say we have this image here, okay? This image can be pixelated. We have this image here, okay? Can be pixelated. So let's see. I'm going to transform this. I'm going to increase the size. So when I transform this, okay, it means this image is going to lose its pixels. It's going to Photoshop automatically is going to add more pixels to it. Okay, when you talk of pixelated, we see every image is made up of a square unit box. Okay, this square unit comes together to form the pixels image that we see. Let me zoom in so that you will see what I'm talking about. So you can see that we have the boxes around. So this is what these boxes are made. So these boxes are made up of unique colors, which then combine to form the image. Okay, so these are the process I'm talking about. And now that we have stretched the image like this picture is not maintaining its quality by default. It has lost some of the qualities. Okay, so it is very advisable that whenever you are working with Photoshop, you don't need to stretch a raster image, okay, above the threshold. What you can do is you should convert this one, you right click on it and convert to smart object before you do it, before you what transform it or enlarge it. With that one, you maintain the pixels, okay, or the quality of the image. Also, when you reduce the size of this image, we are going to reduce the pixels. So some of the pixels are going to be removed by Photoshop. Okay, these square pixels, so that we can get a reduced image. And with that one too, you will lose some little bit of quality of the image. So these are the principles as a beginner you should note whenever you are working with Photoshop layers. Okay, thank you very much for joining us. Do want to subscribe to this channel and stay connected. Bye.